A very good morning to everyone present here. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Before I begin, I want you all to imagine something. Imagine a child standing outside the classroom, not because he didn't want to study it, but because the society decided he deserves to. Now imagine the same child growing up and drafting the constitution of world's largest assembly. The child was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Greetings to respected Chairman Muhammad Aqil Ahmed Sir, honorable teachers, my dear fellow students, and my citizens. My name is Arishma. I am a student of class 10 at Little Rose School. Today I feel honored to stand before you and speak about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his vision for India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji once said, our constitution is not a mere law, it's a document, it's a spirit of age, it's a vehicle. But remember, we all remember him, but remembrance is easy. Understanding is difficult because we truly understood him. We wouldn't reduce his legacy to just one day. We proudly say, he gave us the constitution, he gave us the democracy, he gave us the fundamental rights. But do you remember that he fought against a system that denied him dignity, denied him water, denied him education, and he still chose to build a nation where people would live with dignity. उन्होंने केवल संविधान नहीं लिखा, उन्होंने एक ऐसे राष्ट्र की परिकल्पना की जहाँ सम्मानता केवल एक शब्द नहीं बल्कि एक वास्तविकता हो. And yet today we continue to witness divisions over caste, creed, color, languages, voices rise of threat or fear of what might be lost. But the real question is, क्या वास्तव में खतरा हमारी विविधता को है या हमारी उन सोच की सीमाओं को जो हमें खोने से रोकती हैं? Our constitution is written by Baba Sahib, did not give his 100 different identities. Ladies and gentlemen, it gave us one. It began with the three immortal words, we the people of India. Not we the Hindus, we the Muslims, we the Punjabi, we the Sikhs, we the Tamil, we the people of India. So today, standing here before all of you, I don't just see a nation shaped by the history. Ladies and gentlemen, I see a nation shaped by the vision. A vision that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gives to all of us and India, where people from different religions, different backgrounds, different languages come together not just to compete but to contribute, not just to coexist but to stand for something larger than themselves. At the end, I would like to conclude by saying, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, गृह प्रलय की घोर घटाए, पांव के नीचे अंगाए, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वलाए, नीच हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.